Hi everyone, this is Menur. I am from Tamilpur district. I live in Indo-Bhutan border. After completing my study, I tried in different types of business and jobs. But as we know, it's really hard to find any jobs or to get a job easily nowadays. So I was like very much uh, interested to be a technician, and I was really interested about technology. So after completing my study, I got to know that in this era and in this generation, mobile repairing is in its peak and most demanded. So after knowing that, I researched in internet and Google about mobile repairing course. So I tried in different parts of Guwahati, and at last I came to know about Nicetech. After that, I contact them, and they inform me about it's a course of 3 months and in 1 month. I was very confused at the first, and I was like, it's impossible to know a course in just 1 month. But they informed me and gave me full details of the course. And after that, I gathered some confidence. I came here, and after doing this course, finally today is my 1 month completed, and now I am so much confident that I can do any work of a mobile. Depends on hardware or software. I am so much confident that I can solve any problem of a mobile, any problem of a phone, and I have learned too much from this class in just 1 month, like how to check components. Yes, I used a mobile. I never knew how many components are there in mobile, but now I came to know there is a lots of things in the mobile, and it's really important to know about it. And there's a different components like resistor, capacitor, diode, ICs, and MOSFETs, and many more. So I came to know how to check its gear, how to check its value, and how to work on it, how to trace the line about a primary line or it's about a secondary line. There is a buck line, there is LDO line, and many more. I can't explain it. Just I would like to thank Nicetech and the sirs I have got here, the teachers. They are really beloved and very. I'm thankful to them. They are really nice as teaching. They explained one thing. If you ask 10 to 100 times, they will easily explain you, and they teach us in everything in details. Like there's nothing to be about confused about. Everything they will teach us in details, and it's really easy to understand everything what the teacher teaches us. So I was really like to thanks from my heart to all my Nicetech teachers, and I'm really happy that I came here and I learned from this. Thank you, Nicetech.